Hey everyone, welcome to the very first video on NextGenCoders. I am super excited to start this journey with you. On this channel, I will be sharing coding tips, tech projects, and everything you need to grow as a developer. If that sounds interesting, make sure to stick around. Let's build something amazing together. So let's start with the basics. In this video, we will cover the installation of Visual Studio Code and Python on your system. First, open any web browser and type Visual Studio Code. Once the next pop-up windows are open, click on Visual Studio Code official website and then go to Download for Windows. Click on it. The download has been started. Wait for a while until the download has completed. Now our Visual Studio Code has been downloaded. Now click on Open File. A agreement window will be pop up. Click on I accept the agreement and click on Next. Select destination location. Set it as a default and click on Next. Select additional tasks. Click on Register code as an editor for supported file and add to path. Then click on create a desktop icon if you want and click on Next. Then click on Install and wait for a while until the download has been completed. So our Visual Studio Code has been downloaded. Now click on Launch. Our Visual Studio Code is opening, so wait. So this is the interface of our Visual Studio Code. You can see new file, open file. We will discuss about it later. Now let's see the installation for Python. First type the Python, then go for the official site, that is www.python.org. Click on it. When the new window has opened, go to the downloads option and hover to Python 3.13.3. That is the latest version till now. Click on it. The download has been started. Wait until the download is complete. Now our Python has been downloaded. A pop-up window has shown. Now click on Use Admin Privileges and add Python exe to path. Then click on Customize Installation. Then go to Optional Feature, that is documentation, that should be take pip, take, and then td and ideally take Python test suite and PyLauncher should be take. Then then we will go to the next option. Then this is the advanced option. Click on Install Python 3.13 for all users and nothing more needed. Now let's go to Install option. Click on Install. So our file is set up. Let's wait. It is downloading, installing. Wait until the install is completed. Now our setup was successfully done. Now close and then cut it. Now let's check whether our Python is successfully installed or not. Type cmd and then we will check on cmd that our Python has downloaded or not. Now click on command prompt to open it. Okay, now write a command, that is Python /version and then press enter. So we can see Python 3.13.3 has successfully installed in our system. So let's cut it. Now we will open our Visual Studio Code. Click on Visual Studio Code. Our Visual Studio Code has opened. So first we have to make a folder in it. Click on Open Folder. Then we will create our folder in desktop and then right click, go to new and then folder, and we have to name them as a Python. And click on select folder. Then we have to create a new file. Click on a new file. We will name as firstcode.py. Py is the extension. Then we will write print hello world. Print is a command. We will talk about it later. Run it. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos.